What's going on, guys? So today I have a quick PSA about your tires on your vehicles. This is something that I think is extremely important to know, and something I only recently found out myself, something I just never heard of before, and that is the age of your tires. Alright, so I have a brand new tire here for Black Friday sales. My wife ended up buying a set of tires for next year for the warmer months. When she bought her car, it came with a set of winter tires, so we mounted and balanced those, so those are on our vehicle right now, and then when those come off in the springtime, we'll put on fresh tires for her. These are some Goodyear Assurance tires, pretty common for older cars. They seem to run well. But anyway, the point of the video is to show you how to find the date of your tire, because apparently tires are only good for about 6 years. After 6 years, they could be quite dangerous to drive on. They do actually have a lifespan, which is something, like I said, I only recently found out. I did not know that. You might be watching the video and you're like, yeah, I knew that. But isn't that common information? No, it's not. I've talked to about 4 people today. None of them knew that. So I'm guessing that a lot of you guys watching don't know that either. And apparently, every year, people die from blowouts on brand new tires that they buy. Sometimes there might be a set of tires that sit in a warehouse for 5 or 6 years, but they're still able to sell them as new. So it's a very important thing to check. So it's really simple to figure out. You're going to find a 4-digit number on your tire. The first 2 digits represent the week, the second 2 the year. So this one is 4318. So that means this tire was made in the 43rd week of 2018. All right, so this one's brand new. I'm glad that it is brand new. The tire underneath here, this is the tire that was taken off. These are some Hancocks Optimos. There's 2 of these on the front and then 2, ball tires on the back. Sorry about the grease here because they obviously use some kind of lube to get these off. But anyway, there it is on this tire. Okay, so this tire was made the 52nd week of 2017. So it's just really good to know, how old or new your tires are. All right, if nothing else at all, safety aside, which safety should be number 1, but if you're buying a brand new tire, it'd be nice to know that it's actually brand new and it hasn't sat in a warehouse for 2 or 3 years. All right, so you might want to go out and look on your cars and trucks and stuff and make sure your tires aren't older than 6 years. If you don't do a whole lot of driving, it's very possible, especially if you're buying like old classic cars and stuff, that they just sat and sat and sat and those tires dry rot and they become pretty dangerous to drive on. So just something I've recently learned, and I wanted to pass it on to anyone out there that just did not know this. So be honest in the comments. Did you know this or did you not know this? Anyway, really simple to do. 4-digit number. Just peace of mind that your tires are good to go and they're not going to have any kind of problems. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.